Greetings, greetings. This is Chronicle of the Driver, giving another episode of the Spanish Town Highway or Mandela Highway as it relates to their commercial complex. I am now just passing the Tile City out by Ferry Police Station, making my way slowly past Hillel. I know Hillel. When call the high school as I again, I soon tell you now. Idel. So Hillel up at Cherry Garden. Idel on Marcus on Spanish Town Highway. So I'm actually just going through slowly so I can give you a better view of what the complex looks like. There are a lot of things going on right now in this little vicinity. So you heard me as I slowly go through and show you what the mountainside looks like. And bit by bit, closer by closer, getting closer to what I want to show you. If you look across there now to your left hand side, you can see Tropical Battery. Tropical Battery. That is out of South them depot just the same. Passing Tropical Battery. You have ATL out of Southern Park, the whole new vehicle. Honda, BMW, Benz, Jaguar, Kia, you name it. ATL, them lock the thing here. So if you look good, you can see. So this is a massive commercial depot. If you look to the extreme far left, you see Iterum, that is a call center. 2939 is another call center. Then a closer look across, you will see we call the Google House them there. Them that over there, so everything that yard, you know. Everything that yard. Carreras, have a big head office over here, so. And up on the hillside, you have some nice, both beautiful houses up there, so I'll take time build up one by one too. And who say nothing not go on? If you say nothing not go on, that means say that foreigner, you can't say they're too far. You can't yard and say nothing not go on. Here comes Nestles. Nestles, Jamaica. With them big thing you see here too. Everybody there you saw. And see new construction you go up. When them ready, I will tell you what them a put there. I don't know what them a put there yet. Tank welder way up so too. Everybody there is some man. So if you know if someone want to ship in some stuff and want to get a commercial spot, get a commercial hub, if someone want to ship in some stuff and want to get come a yard, spot at Mandela Highway, have it as a fear. And this is close to 6 Mile. So this hub is between 6 Mile and the ferry police in case you're trying to figure out as to where is it located. it is between Fur Police Station or Idle High School and 6 miles. Catch you next time. Gone, me gone, so I'm going to step on the gas again. Catch you next